Hello, friends. Welcome to this program. In the earlier two program, we have discussed about the program structure of Master of Arts Education program as well as the component of dissertation. So, in this session, we'll discuss about how this Master of Arts Education program is being transacted. So you see, just like other program, IGNOU practices a very definite transaction methodology for implementing its program. Specifically to this program, Master of Arts Education program, let us discuss that what are the different transaction methodologies we practice. First of all, we provide a detailed package of self-learning material. Okay, starting from all the theoretical courses, that is MES 011, 012, 013, 014, 015, 016. These are the theory courses, and one dissertation course, that is MESP 001 dissertation. So we have developed learning materials, self-learning materials of all the theory courses, as well as we have also developed a detailed dissertation manual. Okay, so all these self-learning materials will be provided to the learners. And in the second year of this program, we have also developed self-learning materials of 5 specialized areas in education, like your higher education, distance education, adult education, educational management and administration, and educational technology. So we have developed 24 credits course of each area, and that is kept in the second year of this program. So we will provide a detailed learning materials to the learners. So with these learning materials, we have also developed a program guide. So our MPDD, Material Production and Development Division, will provide program guide, dissertation manual, and course material of all the theory courses comprising first year and second year. When your admission will be confirmed, then they will send material to you. So this is one of the aspect that how we transact the program. We provide a detailed package of learning material. Then second, we conduct induction program as well as counseling sessions in the study center. You see, after admission of the students, when they enter to this system, regional center as well as the study center, they conduct an induction program. Okay, so in that induction program, they orient the learners about the components of the program and how they will start their learning, and what are the different operational issues that they have to deal during their program. Okay, and what is the evaluation strategy. So a detailed induction will given to the student at the regional center level, as well as many a time also in the study center level. Then 10% credit is given to the counseling sessions. Okay, counseling in every theory courses as well as counseling in the dissertation course. So that counseling session is conducted in the study center. Okay, so here you see, counseling session is not just the tutorial. Okay, this is not like your face-to-face teaching. In a face-to-face teaching means teacher will complete the curriculum, but here, as already we have provided self-learning material to the learner, so what they will do, they have to read the material, they have to study the material, and they will come forward with their learning difficulties, their doubts. So all their doubts will be discussed in the counseling session. So apart from self-learning material, induction program, and counseling sessions in the study center, we also conduct regular teleconferencing sessions as well as interactive radio counseling sessions from the main campus. We have a electronic media production center. We have very good radio and TV center here, studio. So we select a topic from your program, from MA education program, and we conduct teleconferencing session, and that teleconferencing session is telecasted in DTH, direct to home television. Means in Gyandarshan to TV from your home, you can watch the program and you can also participate in the program. You can also ask your query. Okay, so if it is a live program, then directly we can attend your query and we can answer you also. So apart from this teleconferencing and radio program, we also provide recorded audio video program. Means we have a very good library of audio video program. We develop certain video program on this program, and we have also developed certain audio program. So these video and audio programs are available in your study center, and it is also available in your regional center. Now what have done, all the video programs and audio programs are available in YouTube. Okay, so you will get an YouTube in our eGyanKosh archive. So there you will get self-learning material as well as link of audio and video program. So from there you can watch, you can listen our program. Then two important component of our program, that is, one is the assignment and other is the torment examination. We give 30% credit or weightage to the assignment and 70% weightage to the torment examination. You see, in a course, means 30% course weightage are covered through the assignment, and 70% course weightage is covered through the torment examination. In assignment, you have to write in every course 3 questions will be given. That is available in our website. You will get it from the student zone of IGNOU website. In the home page you will get it. 3 questions you have to write, and the word limit of writing each question is 500 words. So in one course you have to write 1500 words assignment. Means 3 questions, 500 words limit to each question. So 30% credit is given to assignment and 70% credit is given to torment examination. We conduct 2 term and examination in a year, that is in the month of June and also in the month of December. Okay, so 70% weightage is given to the torment examination. Now let us discuss about the evaluation system of this program. You see, minimum C grade is required to pass in a component of this program, like minimum a D grade in assignment or minimum a D grade in torment examination. Whereas for passing a particular course, one has to earn at least a C grade. Let you have earned D grade in assignment, you are passing assignment, then again if you earn D grade in torment examination, and so the combined grade is here D, then you are not pass in that course. So you have to, in a combined grade, you have to at least earn a C grade. Okay, so if you are earning D grade in assignment, you should earn at least a C or B grade in torment examination, so that in combination of both the components you will get a C grade. So minimum C grade is required for passing in a course, and in dissertation also minimum C grade is required. In dissertation 2 components are there: dissertation viva voce and dissertation report evaluation. But here it is not like the theory course. You have to earn at least a C grade in your dissertation report as well as in dissertation viva voce. So in dissertation C grade is required for passing, and overall including the dissertation and all the theory courses, you have to earn at least a C grade for overall completion of this program. Then one more thing I would like to say, that IGNOU practices a 5-point evaluation system or grading system, that is A, B, C, D and E. E grade is fail, you can say, unsuccessful, and D grade is minimum pass, but that doesn't mean that you are passing a course. Means D in assignment, D grade in assignment means you are passing assignment. D grade in torment examination, you are passing a torment examination. But when we calculate the combined grade of a course, that should be C. Then in dissertation also, the minimum passing grade is C and overall passing grade is your C. So E, D, C, B, A, these 5 grading system are practiced by IGNOU. E is the lowest grade and A is the highest grade. So today we discuss about the transaction methodology of MA education program as well as the evaluation system. Thank you.